It's hard to carry after dark. Y'all to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time.
Klaiyihair has sent me another bomb wig. This one is their Yaki Straight 7x5 Bye Knots wig and their upgraded no slip cap. So as you can see, it's just lined with silicone. It also has a drawstring in the back and a adjustable strap sewn into the unit. So to prep my hair, I'm just going to do 2 braids and clip them up to get my hair out the way because y'all know I don't braid. Lately, I've just been skipping the wig cap because with the HD lace, you can always see my wig cap underneath my wigs because y'all know my hairline is like shorter. So the wig cap slide back, but that's neither here nor there. There is also a adjustable drawstring built into the wig. I just go ahead and tighten that so my wig will fit nice and secure. Then I just make sure I tuck the string so it's not hanging out, and this is what we're looking like afterwards. The length of my unit is 20 inches long, so here I'm just showing you how long that is on me. Pretty long for 20. Not mad at it, and I am 5'3". I'm lying. I'm 5'2". So here's the wig, nice and flowy. Essentially, these wear and go wigs are made so you can just wear them straight out of the packaging, which means the lace is already cut, the knots are bleached, and is pre-plucked. So I'm just going in with my hot comb to kind of straighten out any lumps or bumps the wig may have in it due to it being packed. So that's all I'm doing here. I just sprayed a little hairspray at the top and then I went in with my hot comb. And these wigs really are perfect if you're a beginner and you don't really know much about anything. These are so easy. Much easier than the wigs we started with. I'm gonna forever get me a wear and go wig because nobody has time to bleach knots, cut, lace, pluck, none of that. So here I am just laying mine down with a little bit of hairspray. That's literally all you need. This is a glueless unit. You guys know I never use glue, but look how good that looks. You need HD lace if you want it to blend like that. To style the hair, first I am going to go ahead and straighten the hair. This is already Yaki straight hair, but I want it a little more sleek, so I'm just going to go in with my straightener and straighten the unit out.
Going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. So
Alright, now that both sides are straightened, this is what it looks like. Really nice and silk press like. So since I don't have a cap on underneath, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of concealer and kind of perfect my parting. And yeah, here's what the hair looks like. Really, it gives relaxer. It gives silk press, relaxer. I just love Yaki hair. So here I am just going to add a little bit of layers. You guys know I don't like to cut my hair, but this one I was feeling confident. So I'm just going in and cutting some layers because I want to curl this hair and I want my curls to fall like a certain way in the front. Alright, and I also cut a little bit of the ends off just to give it a nice healthy blunt look. But here I am going in with my curling iron so I can show you guys how the hair curls and what it looks like curled. I'm taking bigger than normal sections because I don't want tight curls. I want cute, flirty, loose curls, if that makes any sense. And I just love editing. It took me 2 seconds to curl my hair, but The unit I'm wearing is 150% density. I think it's the perfect amount of hair on a wig. You see how my curls are? They're cute, and I like cute curls. So that's the look I was going for. I don't know the inch of this curling iron, but this is my favorite curling iron. The curls always come out how I want them to come out, and you see I had to cut it to get this look. I was looking for this certain look, and I just love how the hair flows. I think I could go a little shorter on the front layer, but y'all know sometimes the cut don't be cutting right, so I don't want to mess it up. So I start longer, and if I want to cut it shorter, that way, I have room to do that instead of cutting short first and messing it up. So for this wig to be 150% density, it's very full. It's also lightweight. It's not heavy at all. The hair is really soft. It curled really pretty, as you can see, and look at the luster of the hair. It's so nice and natural looking. This is with no product on the hair. Y'all know I don't add products to my extensions, and I just love that. So yeah, I'll be sure to list all of Klaiyihair's hair info in the description box for you guys. And if there are any discounts, I'll also link those. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.